Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. OpenAI's Whisper is a powerful open source automatic speech recognition that is ASR system. Unlike other services that require an API key and a subscription, Whisper can be installed and run locally on your own machine. This is ideal for those who want to transcribe audio without an internet connection, have a large volume of audio to process, or need to maintain complete data privacy. This tutorial provides an updated step-by-step guide on how to install and use OpenAI's Whisper both from the command line and within a Python script. Now, these are some of the prerequisites that you require. Before you begin, ensure you have the following installed on your system. First, Python 3.8 or newer. You can download it here from python.org. Just search for it in your favorite web browser like this. During installation, just make sure that the checkbox that says Add Python to Path is checked. Now we also have FFmpeg. This is a command line tool for handling audio and video files. Whisper uses it to process various audio formats. In Windows, use a package manager like Chocolatey, that is Choco install FFmpeg, or Scoop, that is Scoop install FFmpeg. We also have macOS, where you can use Homebrew, that is Brew install FFmpeg. For Linux or Ubuntu/Debian, use your package manager, that is sudo apt update and sudo apt install FFmpeg. You also need PyTorch. Whisper relies on PyTorch for its deep learning capabilities. To install it, visit this pytorch.website and select your operating system and desired installation method. Now let's get to the first step, that is to install Whisper. The easiest way to install Whisper is using pip or pip Python's package manager. You can choose from two methods, that is stable version. This is the recommended method for most users. That is bash pip install -u OpenAI Whisper, the way you see here. Latest version from GitHub as well. This will get you the most recent updates and features, but it may be less stable. You can use bash pip install git-https://github.com/openai/whisper.git, the way you see here. After installation, you can verify that it's working by running whisper -help in your terminal. This should display a list of available commands and options. The second step is to use now Whisper from the command line. This is the fastest way to get started with transcription. Choose an audio file. Make sure you have an audio file ready, that is e.g. audio.mp3 or even meeting.wav. Run the transcription command. The basic command is whisper into :audio_file, the way you see here. Whisper will automatically download a default model, that is small.en for English, and begin transcription. Note, this is what you need to note. Use quotes around the file path, the way you see, if it contains spaces. Another key thing is to specify a model. Whisper offers several models with different sizes and performance trade-offs. The larger models are more accurate but require more memory and are slower. Tiny.en, base.en, small.en, medium.en, large-v3. These are for English-only transcription. Tiny, base, small, medium, large v3. These are for multilingual transcription. To specify a model, use the -- model flag. Whisper audio.mp3 - model medium. Also, you need to specify a language. For non-English audio, you can improve accuracy by telling Whisper the language you have. You can use this command, whisper japanese.wav -language Japanese. Also, if you need to translate to English, you can use Whisper to translate audio from any supported language into English. You can use this command, whisper French _meeting.mp3 task translate. This will translate from French. Another step, which is the third step, is to use Whisper in a Python script for developers. For more advanced use cases, you can integrate Whisper into your own Python applications. Open a Python file, create a new Python file, e.g. inside here in Visual Studio Code, e.g. transcribe.py, the way you see here. You can write the code. The process involves loading a model and then calling the transcribe model. You can see I have this command here. Just follow it. You can use it as well on your side. Import Whisper, and then we have all this command the way you see here. You can use this one to load the model, this first one, as you can see under my comments. You can also use this second one to transcribe the audio file, and this third one to print the transcribed text. You can pause and follow this code. Now let's also get to using a GPU for faster transcription. If you have an NVIDIA GPU like me, you can dramatically speed up the transcription process. First, install CUDA-enabled PyTorch. You can revisit this pytorch.website here in your favorite browser and make sure you have installed a version of PyTorch that is compatible with your NVIDIA drivers and CUDA. Specify the device when loading the model. You can tell PyTorch to use your GPU. The device parameter in the transcribe function is automatically handled by the underlying library. You can see this code here. You can also follow this Python code, import Whisper, import Torch, the way you see here, just post as well. And if you are using NVIDIA, you can just copy and write this command in your IDE for Python. Yeah, that's all about it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.